Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT 7T, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then in here swipe down again, which will show you a bunch of toggles. Now we are looking for the the screen recorder, which should be visible on one of the pages. Now for me it is right over here. You can see it has the icon of like a camera, so click on it, allow whatever it pops up with right here. This will only need to be done once, and then we can just select agree and continue. Choose what you want to record in terms of sound. We have system and microphone, or you can just turn both of those off or both of them on also. Now I'm gonna keep it as it is, start recording, and you can see we have a timer right here that shows us how long we've been recording, and whatever we will open now will be recorded. Now I first will open up something that will be recorded, just so I can show you how it works, and then I will show you dog shit applications that decide to blatantly violate our rights. Like this piece of shit. There we go. Now luckily Xiaomi actually did something nice, which pops up with an info that we can't record this. Just know that this is one of almost the only brands that does this, because everything else just completely doesn't show you anything. But here we will know that we can't record. Now I also want to point out that I am not signed in, nor have I downloaded this dog shit myself. So I have not agreed to terms of service or use from Netflix, because I don't even own an account, so you can go yourself Netflix. And neither have I actually downloaded this application myself, as it comes pre-installed with the device. So I also haven't given it any kind of permissions whatsoever when launching it. Now the reason this matters is because when we click right here and then click on the square to stop it, you will see this on the Photos application. That's where you can find the recordings. I can also navigate to Albums, and in Albums find videos or screenshots. Both of them will contain the screen recordings. You can click on it and you will be able to see now what, for instance, Netflix and a bunch of other applications that, for instance, usually come pre-installed with your phone can do, which I would consider blatant violation of your personal property, considering this trash is doing whatever it wants on your phone without your explicit permission. Hell, it doesn't even ask for permission. It considers that this is its personal device, that it can do whatever it wants. So Netflix, you can go do this, and for people that want to use Netflix with the freedom to do whatever the hell they want with it, I highly recommend dropping your subscription to this shit and then using something like CloudStream. You can find it on GitHub. It's basically an APK, only works on Android though. You basically then can go on, I believe, Discord, find their publicly known repositories, and now you have access to literally every platform for free, with no garbage, intrusive kind of things like Netflix does, with blocking screen recorders without permission to do so. So that's what you get, Netflix, for trying to abuse, I wouldn't say your power, because you shouldn't even have any here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.